venture deep into the ancient forests of myth and the shadowy realms of legend, where creatures of stone and earth roam silently. Today we bring the mythical troll into the light, imagining these formidable beings not just as fantastical elements of Old Norse tales, but as living entities studied through the lens of natural history. In this exploration, we peel back the layers of mystique that have shrouded trolls for centuries, presenting them as creatures with ecological roles, life cycles, and behaviors. Join us as we traverse this unique blend of science and folklore, reconstructing the life of trolls as if they tread quietly in our world, influencing the ecosystem and evolving through the ages. The origin of trolls is steeped in the mystical tales of Norse mythology, where these creatures are often depicted as being born from the very essence of the earth itself. Envisioned as emerging from rocks or rising from the dense soil of ancient forests, troll infants are believed to start their lives already imbued with the rugged strength of stone and wild nature. As magical beings, their birth process is unique, often portrayed as a spontaneous generation from the elements, bypassing conventional biological reproduction. Once born, troll parents will likely exhibit protective behaviors similar to those seen in large terrestrial mammals, such as bears, which fiercely guard their young from predators. The nurturing of troll offspring might mirror that of apes, who are hands-on in teaching survival skills. This parental care ensures that the young trolls learn early how to blend into the forest's shadowy folds and use their natural surroundings to their advantage, a skill critical for their survival. As trolls grow, their development stages are marked by significant physical and magical changes. From their initial form, resembling small moss-covered stones, young trolls gradually grow larger and gain the iconic features associated with their kind, such as formidable strength, the ability to regenerate limbs lost to conflict or accident, and a mastery of camouflage that makes them virtually indistinguishable from the rocky terrain. This growth process is slow but continuous, with trolls not reaching full maturity until they've seen several human generations pass, allowing them to grow both in size and in wisdom of the natural world. The dietary habits of trolls, as inferred from their mythical descriptions, suggest a creature adept at surviving in harsh, varied environments. Predominantly omnivorous, trolls are likely to have a diet that includes everything from large mammals, such as deer and elk, to forest vegetation, which provides sustenance in less bountiful times. This adaptability in diet reflects their need to thrive across the diverse terrains they inhabit, from dense woods to mountainous outcrops. In terms of hunting strategies, trolls would utilize their innate connection to the natural landscape to their advantage. With a natural prowess akin to that of big cats, a troll's approach to hunting would likely involve ambushing prey. Their ability to blend into their surroundings, using skills akin to stone camouflage, allows them to surprise deer or other large animals. Moreover, their immense strength and resilience enable them to tackle larger prey, sometimes using fallen logs or boulders as tools to corner or trap their targets effectively. When it comes to feeding behavior, trolls are solitary feeders, aligning with their territorial nature. Each troll would claim a vast stretch of wilderness as its own, ensuring that it has ample hunting grounds without competition. This solitary nature likely extends to their feeding habits, where they consume their catch alone, far from the prying eyes of humans or other potential threats. Such behavior ensures the balance of the ecosystem they dominate, as their presence alone can influence the behavior and population dynamics of other species within their territory. Trolls would likely find solace in the secluded and harsh environments of dense northern forests and rugged mountainous regions. These habitats provide not only the isolation trolls crave, but also a terrain rich in resources and natural defenses. The thick forests offer ample cover and material for camouflaging, a critical aspect of their survival strategy, while the mountains provide high vantage points and secure dens within caves. Territorially, trolls are projected to behave much like the apex predators of our real ecosystems. Their large size and formidable nature suggest that they would control and defend extensive territories, essential for ensuring sufficient food supply and space for breeding. Such territorial behavior would be crucial in maintaining ecological balance within their habitat, preventing overpopulation of any single area, and allowing a natural spread of various species, including their own. Surviving in such demanding environments would require trolls to develop a range of adaptations. Their mythical thick skin, akin to that of rhinos or elephants, would not only offer protection against the elements, but also against conflicts with other creatures, including rival trolls. Enhanced hearing might be another evolutionary trait, allowing them to detect the approach of intruders or prey from great distances. Such adaptations would make them well suited to their role as dominant predators within their ecological niche, capable of thriving in regions where few other predators dare to venture. Delving into the social fabric of trolls reveals a creature that is predominantly solitary, but might occasionally form small, tightly knit family groups. These enclaves could be found in hidden cave systems or remote forest regions where protection and secrecy are paramount. Such social structures would allow for the effective passing down of survival skills from older trolls to their young, ensuring the continuity of their secretive way of life. The reproduction of trolls is shrouded in the mystique of folklore, often described with a blend of magical and earthly elements. Mythical mating rituals might include elaborate displays of strength and endurance to attract mates, reflecting their dominance within their territory. The breeding behaviors could involve the construction of protected nests deep within their secluded habitats, where trolls ensure the safety and secrecy of their offspring. These rituals, steeped in magical lore, might also be influenced by lunar cycles or seasonal changes, adding a mystical dimension to their reproductive cycle. As formidable dwellers of the forest and mountains, trolls would have a significant ecological impact on their surroundings. As apex predators, their presence would regulate the populations of large herbivores, thereby controlling the vegetation dynamics and influencing the broader biodiversity. Their interactions with other species would create a complex web of ecological relationships, with trolls influencing everything from the local prey populations to competing predators. Such an impact could be likened to that of large carnivores in our world, shaping their environment through both direct and indirect interactions. As we conclude our imaginative journey into the natural history of trolls, we have explored how these legendary beings might live, hunt, and interact within their mythical ecosystems. From their solitary behaviors and mystical breeding rituals, to their impact as apex predators in dense forests and rugged mountains, trolls emerge not just as creatures of myth, but as pivotal figures in the ecological narratives we've envisioned. What are your thoughts on how trolls could influence their environments if they were part of our natural world? Do you think their mythical abilities would make them the ultimate survivors in today's ecosystems? Share your views and any additional mythical creatures you'd like us to explore next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking dives into the realms of mythology and nature.